What's up, guys? We're here at Home Depot. We got a long day of errands today, but mainly we're here to get some wood so we can build out Misha and Tara's new kitchen. So we're gonna take this inside. We're gonna see if we can try and film and talk to you without the mask. I don't know how that's gonna go. But then we got a big screen TV we're gonna try and get. We're gonna have to get some gas for the machines. Anything else? We're gonna return a router to Costco. I think that's it. All right, so come on, let's go check it out. So we're gonna need, I don't know, I measured out 8-foot 2x4s. The price of wood's gone up 200+% since COVID. So we're looking at $888 here in Big Island for these treated studs, but we got bad termites, so we're gonna get the borate treated. And the tricky thing about Hawaii is they send the crappiest wood in the nation to Hawaii because there's no way you can send it back. So good luck finding some straight ones, but we'll see what we can do. Plywood. So this one we could do for 58. Wow, 76 bucks for Q111. This is the standard stuff they use on holiday. So we opted for hardy board, which is a synthetic, it's made out of cement, but it's like a cement board instead of the plywood. It's a little bit cheaper and it's gonna resist rot and bugs a little better than the plywood would. I didn't get the treated one. They're asking the same prices, it's like 76 bucks for plywood. So for 52 bucks, we got the hardy board, we got 3 sheets. I think that's gonna be enough for us to get this project done. Got it all.
How long does it take?
Took us 2 hours? I don't know. But the hard part was all these fittings, yeah? We just picked up the last few items for our kitchen project. We're gonna head back to the farm and put it all together. So stay tuned for that. You'll see more of this kitchen project as we start building. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to watch more of our videos, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.